Found the cows are up here. Be cowboy for a second. Gotta keep up.
With the horse?
Zach gotta keep up with the horse. Okay, you guys back up a little bit. There we go. Now we got him. Good cowboy work there, Zach.
And it was complete with the rainbow.
Last time I was here, I bought this horse. So now I'm taking it back to the home farm from the Amish. So, gotta ride it out on the road, put some shoes on it. Never be afraid of the silence. I feel like in the modern world, people are afraid to be alone, but you'll have your greatest ideas. I have my best business ideas. You'll be more creative when you're silent and alone. Sometimes I go out on the farm, not just because I love the countryside, which I do, and I love animals, but also, there's some dogs, but also because it's time when I have my best ideas. Look at the, look around you. There's nothing to make you ADD. There's nothing to make everybody highly anxious. I feel like the modern world, it's all about anxiety. So, I get my best ideas sometimes when I'm in the shower, sometimes when I'm swimming in a pool, sometimes when I'm, on a farm like this. But the one thing they have in common, all those scenarios, is I'm alone. Now, it's important to network. Don't get me wrong, like networking works, but it's for different reasons. I don't have my most creative moments when I network. I basically, make new connections, and it makes deals easier to do. You get new information that you can process when you're alone. So you really should be living a life that's, roughly 50% alone or quiet and 50% extroverted. I think that's the best. Scientists call that ambiverted, where you're not extroverted or introverted. You're a little bit of both. How you doing out there, Czar? He wants to run, but I'm afraid here to run because there's groundhogs. A leg will go down in there and they'll break their leg. Doing a little ride here. We're going around. My neighbor's cows just got on this farm. That's all right. There's plenty of grass right now. Cows were here. You can see they ate the grass. I'm a detective today, trying to find where these cows went. All right, we reached a dilemma. It's like in a movie. What do we do, Zach?
This is clearly the work of Native Americans. There's probably a bunch of them around here hiding.
Zach thinks he's in the 1800s. The abominable snowman? Zach, what's your favorite saying?
Well, it never made sense until I just saw the horse and the water together, but you can lead a horse to water, you can't make it drink.
All right, let's see if he'll drink. Come on, bud. I get it. All you wanted was grass, huh? You're like California people. Just want grass. Just got all this farm stuff.
Does it really?
Mineral. We got this, posts. Ben, how much you think this is gonna cost?
Well, I thought it was
We're guessing. This is the small load right here. Where's the chainsaw, Ben? This is a used 250. Or a dually. This thing has power right here. Turbo. Laying some 1-inch water pipe here so the horse can get water everywhere on the farm. It's a pain to put in, but once you have it, it's very convenient. It's starting to rain on us. Look at the rainbow, check it out. 8 hours of work. Let's see if the electric fence we built works. 9.3. Woo! This is a meal. Look at all this. Fresh cheese, homemade cheese, pickles, steak. Armin, you get your testosterone up? Oh yeah. One thing missing in the modern world is everybody's sitting down and eating. Sam, you're not seated. Sam, wer nicht kommt zur rechten Zeit, der muss essen, was überbleibt. That means if you're late to eat, you don't get food.